Let's make brightening body scrub made with turmeric. This is very good to remove dead skin cells, dark spots, dark bikini lines, your knuckles, and many more. Let's get started. You need a bowl, you need turmeric. Um, Turmeric helps remove dark spots and brightens the skin. It removes eczema and discoloration, even acne of the skin. So we need body wash. Any body wash will do. This is a 1 pound body wash that I bought from the store. You need a body, you need a sugar, white sugar, brown sugar, any type of sugar. As long as it's granulated sugar, it is fine. Pour it in the bowl, and then the body wash, just add a little and then mix. Do not add too much, because if you add too much it will be runny. Then add your turmeric and then mix everything together. If you see it's to do it to your own consistency. If you want it runny, it's fine. You want it thicker, it's fine. You want it thicker, add more so that it will be thicker. I added more to this one and it was thicker. But if it's running, just leave it running like that if you want, and you are good to go. This body scrub will remove those dark spots on your body. If you have acne of the skin, like the one in your back, you dark spots, all those spots on your skin, it will help you exfoliate your skin and make your skin glow. Use this body scrub once a week and you are good to go. Thank you for watching.